In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from OKX to Bybit. By following these steps, you will successfully move your funds between these two cryptocurrency exchanges, ensuring a smooth transaction process. Begin by opening the Bybit app on your device. Once the app is launched, locate and tap on Assets at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your asset management page where you can view your cryptocurrencies. Next, tap on Deposit to initiate the process of receiving USDT. You will then be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Choose USDT from the list of available options. After selecting USDT, you will need to choose a network for the transfer. It is recommended to select the TRC20 network due to its lower transaction fees. After selecting the network, tap on Copy Address. This action will copy your Bybit USDT deposit address to your clipboard. Make sure to keep this address handy, as you will need it for the next step. Now, open the OKX app on your device. Similar to the previous steps, tap on Assets to access your account balance. From there, tap on Withdraw to begin the process of sending USDT to Bybit. Choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. In the withdrawal interface, paste the Bybit deposit address that you copied earlier into the designated address field. Ensure that you select the same network you chose in Bybit, which is TRC20, to avoid any complications during the transfer. Next, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send. Be mindful of your available balance and any potential withdrawal fees. Once you have confirmed the amount, tap on Confirm to finalize the withdrawal process. The transfer may take anywhere from 2 to 10 minutes to complete, depending on network conditions. To check the status of your transfer, return to the Bybit app and navigate to Assets. Select USDT to verify that the funds have arrived successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.